I'm aware that you villainous, killing these niggas will fear you, the scarecrow. Ride or die, and she tight as my alibi air though. You the type that I had me not rapping for pleasure, to rinse and repeat, I don't care though. I'm after the guap, so I'm on a money mission on the block. She shotgun, top 5, dead or alive. She ain't 4 legends, said I'm the top one. She a dream come true and she know it, my story don't hold up, I know she gon' drop some. That's my BM and these bullets cold, but if you fuck with her then you catching the hot one. She got her own thing that she do, so when I'm in the store I know she working too. Getting the loot and the things that we do, she ain't telling us so that shit cute. Shooting with me in the gym, you can pass me the balls off the rack. Pat a nigga back if you win the shack. If a nigga finna switch, yeah I needed that. Look.
I wanted to show y'all the new camera I told y'all about in like 2 videos ago that I was gonna ask my dad to get. So he got it. I don't know if I say he or Granny, but thank you Granny and Daddy. So this is the viral TikTok camera. I don't have a TikTok, but that's how viral it is that I heard about it. So this is how it come packaged in this box here. It's the 4K Ultra HD. I wish I could change the angle so y'all could see like where I'm seeing. Hold up, let me try to change the angle that you guys looking at it. Okay, y'all, I cannot change the angle, but okay, we're gonna make this work. Anyway, this is how it come packaged, like this. The camera comes wrapped up in this bag. I hope y'all can hear me. I blew my eardrum out. I don't even know whatever. But this is so cute. I'll show you guys the front here. And then the back. And then these things. Hope y'all can see that. And the back of this camera comes out like this. So this is the thing here, the camera. Let me see what else this comes with. Okay, y'all, I was struggling to get this box open and get all this stuff out. I didn't want to damage anything in here just in case I don't keep the camera. But yeah, it comes with 2 batteries. It came with the lens, the wide shot lens. It came with they had a cap for the lens. Also, the back of that lens come off. I don't even know that much about cameras to know even why that happened. It comes with this cap that goes over the lens. It came with a USB cord to charge the 2 batteries, and it came with a whatever that white thing is. I can't remember the name, to go into the charger. And a battery charger. This camera was everybody's saying it's $100 camera, but I found it for $70.99. Excuse me, $79.99. That's what I found it for. I saw where on Amazon it was $400, and I was like, yeah, no. I didn't feel comfortable paying that $100. So me, I like to catch a deal. I really do. So I just kept looking and looking, and I finally found it for $79.99. I will put the link in the description down below from the buyer, the seller that I bought from, the $79.99 version. I did compare the $99.99 version to the $79 version, and it was pretty much the same. I couldn't find no difference other than I think the other one came with less things, but I can't be sure. I can't really remember. But when I did a review on this video, I wanted to do a full review and actually play with the camera and know everything that's going on with it. You know, sometimes people make everything look nice like this, cute, pink, you know, all dressed up, fancy, but the camera ain't really worth nothing, y'all. So I want to give y'all a full review, and that's what I did. So I do want to say on putting footage, transferring footage from the camera to your phone or your computer or your iPad, I have not been able to figure that out. I edit my videos on my iPad. I used to have my computer, but now I use my iPad. When I had my computer, I bought this adapter to be able to transfer from my phone to my computer, but now this adapter does not go to my iPad. I didn't know that. But anyway, so you can go buy an adapter that's compatible with your phone, your iPad, your computer, and that's one way you can transfer your footage. It goes in here, You plug it in here, plug it up to the adapter to the computer, and that's how you do that. I wish that I bought the right adapter, or that this adapter was compatible with my iPad, but it's not, and I'm not finna go buy a new adapter because I'm just not that committed. Another way was the way I was gonna do it was Wi-Fi, and I'm still trying to figure out the Wi-Fi. So far, I am able to connect it, and you can control footage and everything from on here by your phone or your iPad. But like I said, I haven't been able to do that. I'm finna wait till the BD get home so he can help me, y'all. So the stuff that I do know, if he is able to help me figure that out and get all my footage that I did do on here and transfer it over there, then right now I'm going to add the day footage that I that I record, or that is recorded from here. Also, the mic on here, this is a little speaker, if y'all can see that. You will have to buy a mic if you have this phone, if you have this camera, because it's really distorted. You can't really hear what you're saying. It just sounds like people are talking like they're but into a microphone. So that's one thing I didn't like about this camera. Yeah, I wrote some stuff down over here. That's how I'm looking at it. This manual could be more helpful because it's really not. I would have liked more information on it, y'all. I'm not trying to give a bad review. I'm just trying to be honest with the 2 weeks I've been playing with this camera, y'all. And yeah, that manual could have been better, y'all. For me, I've worked with cameras before, but it's years ago. You know, in your teenage years when you got cameras, you doing this and that, you figuring out. I don't have the time today. I'm not on the type of time, okay? So I would say the battery life, not so good. Maybe if you do a video an hour, under an hour without messing up, you know, that might be best. But I'm surprised this is about to die, because I feel, for me, I'm on it for a few minutes. I've never done 30 minutes, probably now trying to figure out this Wi-Fi, but that's probably the most I've used it, and it's already about to die. And yeah, so far the most difficult thing has been remembering what everything does, because you know, old cameras is old school. We don't use cameras no more, we got our phones. But just remembering what it was, I had to refer to the manual a lot. And then when I did use the camera, the audio, really bad. Those are like the biggest thing on this. What will make me return it is the audio, and I don't have a mic. So if you do buy this, I would suggest buying a mic, maybe buying a flash. I think the light on it is okay, but maybe buying a flash as well might be best, y'all. So that's my opinion on this camera. Since I wasn't able to directly upload footage, I still wanted to show you guys and let you hear video and audio from the camera. I think I would rate this probably a 6.5 out of 10. It's very good if you're not already been using your phone. But I feel like at the end of the day, your phone works the same way. The camera quality is the same, if not better. I feel like it's better. And then you don't have to buy extra stuff. Like I said, oh, let me try to see if I could put it on my tripod. Okay, y'all, it is compatible with my tripod. So cute. It look like I'm finna get some good fat. I look like a reporter. Anyway, I don't want to sound negative, like don't get the camera, because it is a good camera, y'all. Once I'm able to see the footage on there, I'll know for sure. But yeah. But for those, you know, people can't afford an extra $100 or extra $70. So using your phone is just fine. I could put the link where I got the tripod I got, which is what I'm using now, and using it on my phone. It's worked for me. I'm preferring it now. I'm preferring it over the camera, but to each his own. This is just me, y'all. I hope this video was helpful, because I know this camera is going viral. I'm not with the shenanigans. It's just not for me. But I mean, if you're starting YouTube or you want to start taking photos, and I think this will be a good camera for beginners, people that don't know about technology, people that didn't already start using something else, or starting from ground zero. I think this is a perfect camera, and it's cute, you know, little nice features on it, especially when you want to record looking at yourself. This feature is great for that as well. So you guys, that's all for this video. I hope it was detailed. I hope it helped you guys. I don't know if I'll be keeping this camera. I'm still deciding, y'all. I'm old. I'm set in my ways. So we'll see, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions or anything else you want me to say about the camera or whatever it may be, don't just leave a comment down below and I'll answer the questions to the best of my ability. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next video.